Hey guys, we just got back from Edmonton, and as some of you already may know, we were picking up the latest addition to our little car family. So here she is, safe and sound, a little bit dirty, but overall actually fairly clean. So I'll give you guys a little walk around quick. There's just a little bit of damage right here. There's just a little chip in the paint. We were thinking it was Bondoed, and it just chipped there. A little bit of scuffs right here. And we definitely have our fair share of scraping to do. Definitely needs a wash as soon as we can. So it came with an HKS high power exhaust. And we already took the silencer out. Overall, the interior is actually not bad. Covered in some snow from us, but overall pretty clean. Not a lot of scuffs or scratches. Previous owner wrapped the dash with carbon fiber. It's got some really nice Recaro seats in it. Trying our best to keep Mushu out of here until we have a seat cover. Surprisingly enough, we've been lucky and haven't gotten dog hair in here yet. Found a Viper security system sticker on here, so not sure if it actually has a system built in. That'd be nice to find out. Other than being dirty, not too bad in here. Kind of a janky heat shield going on. And we're currently just charging the battery. We already swapped out the radiator fluid, the coolant, and the windshield wiper fluid, because it's definitely not going to survive winters here. So we picked up some pads and rotors for the car already, and I forgot to mention earlier, but we also swapped out the terminals on the battery, because the battery would not fit, because we had to get a new one. I thought some people might be interested to see what all we found in the car. So we found wide angle mirror, Tane sticker, a couple brackets. I'm not sure what they are for, so if anybody knows, if you could comment below, that'd be awesome. And a piece of cardboard, but I figured I'd include it anyway. Then we got a bunch of clips, bolts, a whole 10 yen, a paper clip, a light bulb, another light bulb, little chain, little cover, clips, another random, it looks like a handle off something, bag from a shop, ashtray for the cup holder, and Japanese calendar, battery cover, which does not fit anymore. I'm not sure what this is. Somebody says it might be something that goes in the cup holder to hold a tray. If you also know, that'd be great to comment below too. Thanks. And a cover that we haven't found what it goes on yet. And a random bag. So yeah, that was our finds. Interesting. Oh, and there was a little keychain. Just 2 seconds, I'll show you. So we also found this little guy. Our friends are saying his name is George from Full Metal Alchemist. So I put it on my keys, and Sam put the little Pokemon keychain he found in his car when it came. So as mentioned earlier, we found a cigarette ashtray in the car. So there is, unfortunately, a bit of a cigarette smell to it, so we are going to be adding in our favorite air fresheners. If you haven't heard of these before, these are the best air fresheners money can buy, in my opinion. These are the lime squash ones, and clearly it's our favorite considering we have a giant box of them. But yeah, they're super fruity and they last a really long time. Speaking of fruity, we did a slight detour to TNT and we got apple pie Kit Kats, strawberry cheesecake Kit Kats, fruit and nut Kit Kats, sake, and sweet potato. These actually weren't half bad. These kind of tasted like hand lotion. These were pretty good. Sam didn't like them, but I liked them. Oops. Strawberry cheesecake is both of our favorites. And the apple pie was good, but it was almost like salted caramel, kind of. But salted apple pie? I don't know. But yeah, that was our trip to Edmonton. It was a pretty decent weekend. So the next video we'll probably see you guys in is when Sam's wheel hub gets here to show you his new setup. And then we'll do another strategy update. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas for videos, comment below and we'll see if we can put together one for you. Okay, thanks for watching guys, bye!